Welcome to JP Academy for practicing your spellings. Today is day 11. If you haven't practiced the first 10-day spellings, first start with day 1. If you have completed first 10 days words, then continue day 11 words now. We are going to learn spelling for 20 new words and revising already learned 20 words. Grab a pencil and a notebook. Write today's date. Now you can see the screen and write the word in your notebook. Let's start first with 20 new words. Number 1. The word is react. Rani friend Rita slipped from the stairs, but Rani didn't react. The word is react. Number 2. The word is reaction. You need to have quick reaction to play these games. The word is reaction. Number 3. The word is reappear. Aladdin waited for the genie to reappear. The word is reappear. Number 4. The word is rebound. I hit the ball on the rebound. The word is rebound. Number 5. The word is rebuilt. Anthony rebuilt his house after it was destroyed by a fire. The word is rebuilt. Number 6. The word is redecorate. The landlord promised to redecorate the house. The word is redecorate. Number 7. The word is redo. The whole class had to redo their work. The word is redo. Number 8. The word is re-entered. 10 minutes later, he re-entered the hotel. The word is re-entered. Number 9. The word is refresh. Refresh the web page to get the latest homework. The word is refresh. Number 10. The word is renew. If you renew the tenancy agreement, you continue your stay further. The word is renew. Number 11. The word is repack. Sellers repack the goods before delivering them to the customer. The word is repack. Number 12. The word is replay. The semi-final replay will be on Saturday. The word is replay. Number 13. The word is reread. I had to go back and reread a few paragraphs to see if I had missed anything. The word is reread. Number 14. The word is resilience. Watford Football Club taught us all about resilience. The word is resilience. Number 15. The word is retry. An error has occurred. Please retry later. The word is retry. Number 16. The word is return. It's time for us to return home. The word is return. Number 17. The word is reuse. Some of the waste material can be reworked for reuse. The word is reuse. Number 18. The word is reviews. I read the book reviews in the newspaper. The word is reviews. Number 19. The word is revisit. I wish to revisit the sea world. The word is revisit. Number 20. The word is rewrite. The teacher asked him to rewrite the essay. The word is rewrite. Now you can check all the 20 words here and put tick mark next to the word by checking each and every letter. 1. React. 2. Reaction. 3. Reappear. 4. Rebound. 5. Rebuild. 6. Redecorate. 7. Redo. 8. Re-entered. 9. Refresh. 10. Renew. 11. Repack. 12. Replay. 13. Reread. 14. Resilience. 15. Retry. 16. Return. 17. Reuse. 18. Reviews. 19. Revisit. 20. Rewrite. Let's revise already learned 20 words. Try to write it in cursive writing. Number 1. The word is country. China is a large country. The word is country. Number 2. The word is couple. We spent a couple of hours at the shops. The word is couple. Number 3. The word is courage. Clara found the courage to try something new. The word is courage. Number 4. The word is cousin. My cousin Ryan has red hair. The word is cousin. Number 5. The word is cousins. One of my cousins is coming over from France with his parents. The word is cousins. Number 6. The word is double. Go through the double doors and turn left. The word is double. Number 7. The word is doubling. Doubling the number is fun for Jerome. The word is doubling. Number 8. The word is encourages. The class teacher encourages the children for singing. The word is encourages. Number 9. The word is enough. I couldn't run fast enough to catch up with her. The word is enough. Number 10. The word is flour. A windmill is used to crush grain into flour. The word is flour. Number 11. The word is flourish. Plants will not flourish without water. The word is flourish. Number 12. The word is hour. How many trains run in an hour? The word is hour. Number 13. The word is launch. We serve tea in the launch. The word is launch. Number 14. The word is nourish. Children need plenty of good fresh food to nourish them. The word is nourish. Number 15. The word is rough. Many rocks are smooth and rough. The word is rough. Number 16. The word is southern. Brighton is in southern England. The word is southern. Number 17. The word is touch. No, don't touch it. It's hot. The word is touch. Number 18. The word is tough. Remove the tough outer leaves before cooking. The word is tough. Number 19. The word is trouble. The boy had trouble keeping up with his elder sister. The word is trouble. Number 20. The word is young. A tree must be bent while it is young. The word is young. You can check your 20 words once again and put tick mark next to the words. 1. Country. 2. Couple. 3. Courage. 4. Cousin. 5. Cousins. 6. Double. 7. Doubling. 8. Encourages. 9. Enough. 10. Floor. 11. Flourish. 12. Hour. 13. Launch. 14. Nourish. 15. Rough. 16. Southern. 17. Touch. 18. Tough. 19. Trouble. 20. Young. Congratulations for completing today's words. See you tomorrow for practicing day 12 words. Thank you.